Here's another sample problem. Sabi dito, Narmaya made pancakes for her nieces. She made 3/6 of a pack of pancakes, and then Narmaya gave the pancakes equally to her 5 nieces. How much of a pack of pancakes will each of her niece get? So, fractions ulit. Isa sa pinaka-intimidating na concept sa math, at least para sa nakararami. Pero walang imposible kapag na-analyze natin properly yung problem. So, malinaw ang hinahanap niya. How much of a pack of pancakes will each get? Yung phrase na how much will each will tell you na ang kailangan mo dito is division. How much will each get? So, kailangan ng process ng division to actually solve this. Pero ang first task mo is to identify ano pa yung mga information na binigay. So, sa first sentence, makita na meron siyang pancake para sa kanyang mga pamangkin. Meron siyang 3/6 of a pack. So, makikita natin yung 3/6 is essentially 1/2 in simplified form. Which means, essentially, kalahati nung isang pack yung nagamit niya. Ngayon, ginagawa niyang pancake ay binigay niya daw equally sa kanyang nieces. Another indicator na kailangan mo mag-divide. She gave it equally to her 5 nieces. So essentially, we need to divide 1/2 by 5. Yung kalahati, di-divide natin sa 5. Ngayon, remember, this is a fraction divided by a whole number. At subdivision of fractions, you need to remember this. Keep, change, and then flip. KCF kung gusto mo. Pero mas madali naman tandaan, keep, change, flip. You can also say copy, change, flip. CCF naman yon. Pero ito ang mas gusto ko sa division. Keep, change, flip. Ano ibig sabihin ng keep? Pag sinabing keep, you keep the dividend as it is. Dividend sa division, yung unang number. Siya yung hahatiin. So we keep 1/2 as it is. Change naman means you change the operation. Operation is originally division. Saan papalitan? Anong ipapalit? Sa process of division, actually, division of fraction, actually, if you change mo yan, sa multiplication. So, yung 1/2, i-retain mo as it is. Yung division, gagawin mo multiplication. And then, yung flip, which is the last step here, means reciprocate. Kung mas malalim na term yan, mas madaling tandaan yung flip. So, ano na lang, yun na lang isusulat ko dito. Ano ang dapat na i-reciprocate? Ang dapat na i-flip or i-reciprocate is your divisor. Kung ano yung ipanghahati. And in this example's case, it's 5. Some of you might say, ano yung flipped version? Ano yung reciprocal ng 5? Remember, whole number yan. So essentially, meron niyang denominator na 1. Anything divided by 1 is the number itself. So hindi na bago yung value niya. Pero nilagay ko yung 1. Bakit? Para makita mo ng mabilis, ano yung reciprocal? Pag pinlip. So 5/1, yung flipped version yan is 1/5. Now it's easier to multiply. Kasi sa rule naman talaga ng multiplication, it's essentially just numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Which means ang magiging final answer mo, 1 times 1 is 1, denominator 2 times 5 is just 10. Ngayon, nasagot ba natin yung tanong? How much of a pack of pancakes will each of her nieces get? Nakuha natin is 1/10 and it's option D dito sa ating pamimilian. So essentially, balikan natin ha. Inunawaan natin ano yung process na kailangan pagdaanan. Ang keywords ang nakatulong. So how much will each get? Yun yung nakuha ko para, yun yung ginamit ko para malaman that I need to divide somehow. And then of course, yung given information, yun lang din yung ginamit ko to solve for what is being asked. Hopefully nakatulong itong video na ito.